cocaine and drink it with your friends. You live in the dark, boy, I cannot pretend.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from Group 5 will present a text explaining the process of the rainbow.
How can a rainbow happen?
A rainbow is a colorful arc of light that usually appears in the sky after a rain. The process of color decomposition occurs when white sunlight breaks down into a spectrum of colors through rainbow media. The color spectrum that occurs consists of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and purple. Factors that must be met in order for a rainbow to form, namely, the sun must be above the horizon line. The sun's light should also not be blocked by clouds, mountains, or other obstacles. In addition, the position of the sun should be slightly lower. If we are in the same position as the horizon line, then the sun needs to be at an angle of 42 degrees so that the rainbow can be seen from where we are standing. Rainbows always appear on the side of the sky opposite the sun. So, when you see a rainbow, the sun will be behind you. Because of this, the air on the side of the sky opposite you should contain a lot of water droplets, like after rain.
The process of rainbow. The first process is reflection. Water droplets in the air can act like small mirrors. When sunlight shines on water droplets, most of the light will be reflected back. When it rains, the air will contain lots of water droplets that form like a curtain, and each of these tiny water droplets will reflect back the incoming sunlight. Sunlight is white. Why a rainbow colorful? The answer to this question relates to the second process, namely dispersion. Light dispersion is the phenomenon of the dissolution of light. Sunlight looks white when sunlight hits and is reflected by water droplets. The sunlight will be dispersed and witnessed so that the colors in the rainbow differ.
The third process is the refraction of light. When sunlight penetrates water droplets and is reflected in slightly different directions, this is called the refraction of light. Each color will refract in a different direction. This difference in the direction of light is influenced by its wavelength of its light. This is what causes the rainbow light to spread out and widen like a fan. Why do rainbows bend? A rainbow is shaped like a curve because we only see a half circle of light reflected by the water droplets. The midpoint of the rainbow circle is called the antisolar point, which is the point directly opposite the sun.
The rainbow looks like only a half circle because the other half circle of light has already hit the ground, so it looks like there is no rainbow. However, if you are at a very high altitude, you may be able to see the sun as a perfect circle. For example, when you are on a plane or on the edge of a very high cliff.
Thus, the explanation of the process of the occurrence of the rainbow may be useful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.